Victoria Beckham's signature green monster smoothie recipe coming right up. Welcome to Comfiboost, a one-stop shop for your weekly dose of wellness, comfort and beauty ideas and challenges to apply in your schedules. Victoria Beckham, English fashion designer and a former member of girl group Spice Girls, revealed her, as she calls it, green monster smoothie recipe that's perfect for breakfast. So for it you will need apple, lemon, kiwi, broccoli, spinach and chia seeds. Basically all these ingredients that are very rich with vitamins and antioxidants. For example, apple, kiwi and lemon, vitamin C and vitamin K. Broccoli has more protein than most of the other vegetables. Spinach are rich with calcium and iron, and chia seeds, they are modern day superfood, very rich with omega-3. So first thing you need to do, you chop your apple, lemon, kiwi and broccoli and add them together with spinach and chia seeds to the food processor and blend. And voila! Healthy morning smoothie is ready. In case your smoothie is too thick, you can always add some additional water to it. And if this is not up to your taste buds, you can add, for example, some additional strawberries for extra sweetness and to change the green color to more pink. Or, for example, some bananas for additional smoothness in case you're not counting calories so strictly. Have you tried this one? If yes, let me know in the comment section your feedback and if you have done some nice adjustments to it. Plus, give this video a thumbs up in case if you want to know some more nice morning smoothie recipes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, because here we expose the deepest secrets of wellness. See you next week. Bye!